Hi guys, welcome. Let's talk about this Unreal Engine 5.4 startup crashes. Probably you will get these issues once you have installed a new GPU driver. For example, I go and create a blank project. I'm not doing anything. Maybe you can try to open your existing project and you will, boom, you will see something like this. And probably you will be searching with this fatal error and you will try to understand what's happening, but actually this is not going to be very useful because it might crash in any material, which depending on the shader compiler queue, I think. But there is this info is not going to be useful for you. So the thing is, what's happening here? The thing is probably your old shader compiler is cached somewhere, and just we need to delete the Unreal Engine cache. So where is this Unreal Engine cache folder? Go to your local drive, go to your user, in my case it's xtip, and here there's an AppData. If you don't see it, you just go here to view and show hidden items, because it's like a hidden folder. In AppData local, try to go down there and find Unreal Engine. So here you will see different folders with different versions, but actually it doesn't matter. Go to common. Here there's a DerivedDataCache folder. If you have anything more than test data, just delete it. And the other thing is Xan folder. This is the thing, is because this Xan server, I think, which is holding some kind of a shader cache information for like all your projects, so it is being used commonly for your projects. But this data, probably it has been compiled for my old driver and it's not compatible anymore, I think. So the thing is, just delete this data folder. You can keep it installed as is, and try to open Unreal Engine again. It's a bit annoying, but you will try you have to compile the whole shaders from scratch. But that's fine. I think it's gonna be very good for you because you are compiling the shaders with a new driver now. Just go make a coffee and it's gonna be okay. And after that you will be able to open your project.